The rate of thermal conductivity for AquaRise compares very favorably to those of metal pipe, being 380 times lower than steel and 2,800 times lower than copper. The high thermal resistance of AquaRise greatly reduces the potential of condensation forming on the outside of the pipe. However, to accurately assess individual installations, IPEX can assist designers in calculating condensation potential. Designers may wish to use external pipe insulation on AquaRise hot water lines for possible energy savings. This is more of an economic analysis rather than performance assessment. Typically, designers will perform a cost-benefit analysis of pipe insulation versus no insulation in terms of energy consumption costs. Consideration should be given to local code requirements on this topic. Performance of AquaRise pipe will be unaffected with or without insulation on hot water lines. External pipe insulation must always be chemically compatible with AquaRise. For more information, refer to the AquaRise technical manual or contact IPEX directly. Visit us at ipexaquarise.com.